Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the part number 7 of the ATHENA blanket. Remember that the ATHENA blanket is this blanket. It's made with the crochet, with a mosaic crochet technique. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this part. Remember that you can find the other parts of this blanket in my website. You can find all the video tutorials in my website. You can find the link on the description below. I will leave you also the link to the written pattern and the chart of this blanket. And here you can see the small version of this blanket. It's made with thinner yarn. And if you're new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. Remember that you can find the written pattern and the chart of this blanket in my website, and you can also find in my website hundreds of knitting, crochet and amigurumi patterns. Let's go now with a step-by-step. The part number 7 is from the row 123 to the row 142. Remember that you can find the written pattern and the chart in my website. Row 123 with the white yarn, or yellow in this case, start leaving a short tail at the beginning, place the yarn and make a single crochet on the same space. This is the edge stitch. On this row you have to make one single crochet to the end. Remember that when you are working the single crochet on mosaic crochet, you have to take the back loops. So one single crochet to the end, taking the back loops. Once you are at the end, here in the last stitch, here on the last stitch, you have to make one single crochet. Normally this is the other edge stitch. Remember that you have to make the edge stitch at the beginning and at the end of each row. Row 124, with the blue yarn, you have to repeat the same that you made on the previous row. Place the yarn leaving a short tail, make a single crochet to make the edge stitch. Remember you have to make the edge stitch on each row. Then continue making one single crochet to the end, one single crochet to the end, taking the back loops. Remember, taking the back loops. Once you're at the end, make the single crochet, normally the edge stitch, and chain one and cut the yarn. This is how you have to start and finish every row. Row 125 with the white yarn, or yellow in this case, you have to place the yarn and make one double crochet on each stitch. To make the double crochet, take the yarn, pass the crochet through this free loop of the previous row of the same color and make the double crochet. Repeat the same from the bottom to the top, make the double crochet taking this free loop. You have to repeat this double crochet to the end. Remember to make at the end one single crochet to make the edge stitch. Row 126. In this row you have to make also one single crochet on each stitch. One single crochet on each stitch. Row 127 with the white yarn, yellow in this case. This chart is multiple of 12, so you have to repeat those 12 stitches to the end. 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 4 single crochet. Five single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 4 single crochet, repeating to the end. Row 128 with the blue yarn, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and finish with 3 single crochet. Row 129, start with 1 single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 double crochet. Row 130 with the blue yarn, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 7 single crochet, one double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Row 131, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 9 single crochet, and 1 double crochet. Row 133, row 132, 1 double crochet, and 11 single crochet. One double crochet and 11 single crochet. Row 133, 1 single crochet on each stitch, 1 single crochet on each stitch. Row 134 with the blue yarn, start with 1 double crochet and then 11 single crochet. 1 double crochet and 11 single crochet to the end. Row 135, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 9 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 9 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Row 136, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 7 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Row 137, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 double crochet. Row 138, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 3 single crochet. Row 139, 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 4 single crochet. 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 4 single crochet. Row 140, 1 single crochet in all the stitches. Row 141, 1 double crochet on each stitch, 1 double crochet on each stitch. Row 142, 1 single crochet to the end. This is the last row of the part number 7. Remember that you can find the chart and the written pattern in my website. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell if you like this video. If you give me a like, it would be great. And as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.